In this video, we will see how to insert charts. You can insert charts in a Webi document, and it is also possible to transform tables into charts. When a Webi document is exported in an Excel or PDF format, the chart is converted into an image. The different chart types that you can insert in a Webi document are bar charts, column charts, line charts, map charts, pie charts, and many more. Let us move to SAP Biosystem and see how to use charts in a Webi report.
Let's see how we can use the different chart types which are available in Webi. So I have created this Webi report where I have year, quarter, month and the sales revenue as a data. Now in Webi report we have multiple chart options which are available to us. So if I go to my report element and if I go here, I have the chart. So under the chart we have different type of charts available to us. If I go to this drop down, we have the column chart, we have stacked column, we have 100% stacked column, dual axis column in line, 3D column, and if I click on this more column charts, I will be able to see that I have this option of inserting the chart into my report. If I click here, it will open up a menu where I have all the different charting options available to me. If I go here to the tables, it shows me that it has horizontal table, vertical table, cross tab and a form. If I go to the bar option, I have the bar chart, stacked bar chart, 100% stacked bar chart. So if I select any chart, I will be able to see the definition of that chart, which is a selected one. And here on the right hand side, we will be able to see the option like the category axis, value axis, region color, like whatever chart I will select, it will change the values as per it. Similarly, we have the box chart. So if I want to add a box chart to my report, I can select that and I can choose the category axis, value axis, region color. So based on the type of chart I'm selecting, I have to select the data accordingly. So these are all the different options for the column charts. We have the options for the line chart, maps, then we have the pie charts, and then we have the point charts, radar charts, tag cloud and the waterfall. So these are the different types of charting options which are available to me. So let's say if I want to add a pie chart, I can simply select it and I can click on OK. So once we add the chart to the report, it appears in a gray color if we don't have any data inside it. So I can see here that I have inserted a chart, but it is not showing any type of data to me. So to assign the data, I have to select the chart. I have to right click and click on this assign data. I have to select the pie sector size. So I want to show my sales revenue. Then we have to show the color. So on based on which value I want to show the sales revenue. Let's say if I want to show the sales revenue by year, I can click on OK. And here I can see that now I have this chart where I am showing my year and the sales revenue. So here if I move down my cursor on the different sectors, I can see the year and the sales revenue accordingly. So if I want to turn this chart, I can simply right click and I have the option of turn into. Then if I want to change this chart into my vertical table, horizontal table, cross table or the line chart, I can select the chart and it will change it accordingly. So I can easily change one chart type to the another chart type. I can also change my table into the chart by selecting the table, right clicking it, and then I can go to the turn into and I can, let's say, click on this column chart. So I can see here that my table is converted into my column chart. So in Webi, it's very easy to add a chart, to change the values as per the different charts. So we can also format the chart. I can select the value, I can select the chart, and then I can have this option of format chart. If I go to the format chart, I have different options under my global, title, legends, category axis, value axis, and the plot area. Based on a requirement, we have multiple options inside it. We can change it according to the requirement. Like, let's say if I want to change the value of the name, I can simply change it. Similarly, in the area display, I want to make the category access visible or not. I want the title to be visible or not. Similarly, we have the options for value access, data values, legends. So we have multiple options which we have in this format chart area. So we can go to the format chart, we can do the changes as per the requirement, and after that we can click on OK to apply those changes to the chart. Similarly, if I want to delete any chart, I can simply select it, I can right click it, and after that I can delete it. We can also create the copy of an existing chart. So I can select the chart, I can right click, I can copy it, and if I click anywhere else, I can paste it. So we can copy paste the chart, we can delete the chart, we can turn the table or a simple chart into another type of chart. So all these things we can do within the Webi. We can assign the values. So let's say if you have created a chart first, but you want to change it, you can right click and go to the assign data. Here you can remove or add the values on the category axis, value axis. Let's say if I want to remove the quarter and the month from here. So you can simply delete it and you can click on OK. So now you can see that now this chart is only showing the data for the year and the sales revenue. So this is how you can play around with the different type of charts which are available in the Webi report. So in this tutorial, we have seen how we can use the different types of charts in Webi, how we can convert the charts from one option to the another, how we can delete the charts, how we can copy the charts, and how we can use the charts in the different ways. Thank you.